Hello everybody, this is Cobra. Today we're going to be discussing bugs in a survival situation. Warning, when harvesting a bug to eat, you got to know what you are doing. You can die or get sick. Okay, well we'll talk about the grasshopper. The grasshopper, when harvesting a grasshopper, do not get one with bright colors. It can make you sick or you can die from it. Grasshoppers are good for eating. You can eat them. I've ate grasshoppers before, and as you see, I'm fine. And you can also use a grasshopper for fish bait. Remember, you can cook them or eat them raw. I've ate them raw and I'm fine. What I've learned on some videos is you take the head off the grasshopper to clean it. I never done that, but still I'm fine. Okay, now we'll talk about the ants. The type of ants I would not ever eat are the type of ants that can eat a human in 2 days and a horse in 4 days. I know we ain't got any ants in the United States, but we might have them in some other countries. The type of ants I would not ever eat in the United States are fire ants. Believe me, those fire ants are the wasp of the ants. Or mean. Okay, the types of bugs I would not ever eat. Some of you may disagree, but a lot of people would agree with me. Would be the wasp, the bees, and the hornets. Bees are very important to our ecosystem because they produce honey and also they are pollen carriers. Like any animal, I guess. But you gotta know what you are doing. The types of bees I would not ever harvest honey from. I don't care how big balls you got. I would not ever harvest honey from the killer bees, which is a species of bees that's mixed with the Africanized honeybee and some other species of bees. And I would not ever attempt to harvest honey from a Africanized honeybee. I know they got some in Africa. I've seen them on Jack Hanna. And we may have some in the United States nowadays. Because of people. Let's talk about grubs. Grubs can be eaten. I've seen on some videos on YouTube. People can cook them to eat them. I've never tried them. I would not mind trying one. And there's a certain type of bugs that you can feed to certain exotic pets like tarantulas or geckos or anoles. I forgot the type of worms these are, but you can get them at a pet store like PetSmart, Petco, you name it, or at your local pet store that you buy exotic pets. Okay, the types I would not ever eat are flies, you know, like the common house fly, the horse fly, or what have you. I would not eat ticks, even though ticks are not a type of bug, but some people consider them as bugs. I would not ever eat wasp, because a wasp is mean. For anybody that's ever played the Fallout games, that especially the New Vegas one, you would see a creature they call the Cazadors. To me, the Cazadors are just like the wasp. It's just like the hornets. I would not ever eat a hornet. I damn sure would not eat a bee. Because they sting the shit out of you. I'm not sure about the mud daubers, but I don't think I would ever eat a mud dauber. Okay? For all my fellow pagans and doomsday preppers, you all have a good day and good night. Do not hesitate to punch that like button and subscribe to my channels if you like my videos. Blessed be.